So, we're going for the cover of Vogue. I tried to get the shirt all the way on him, but he keeps pulling his arms away. And he won't stop chewing the bone. Oh, just let me. And so, what do I do next? This man needs mental help to get on the cover of Vogue. Vogue. Let's try my other dog. So according to my sister, my dog is sleeping. She ain't sleeping? Okay. Okay. Back to the video. My dog is now on Vogue.
What is this? This is Mark.
She works. Okay, Mocha, come here, baby.
Is it from my feet?
Come here, baby. Come here, Mocha.
They look like something was wet.
Guys, we can't show our faces. This is a non-face channel.
It could have been my feet.
Sorry about that.
If I walked through water or something. I don't know.
Okay. Mocha, how do you feel about this? Lick? Okay. I love you too, Bubs.
She said a pass.
Zuko. I'm sorry, but you didn't work out. Now let's take some pictures. Okay, Mocha. Boom.
No.
Mocha. Okay. Okay, here's the shot. Okay. Got him on
The
cam.
fucking thing even comes near. Oh,
It just slid under the fence?
yeah, just like that.
Okay.
Like, hi, now you see me, now you don't. It even comes over by our...
Okay, it is coming near.
No, Mom, wait there.
No, it's coming. I think it's coming.
I know, he comes over to that spirit lot. I'm taking pictures of this.
Dude, pull him! He's right there! He's right there! What the fuck?
Literally, he's in our yard! What the fuck? OMG.
We just saw
I
that.
wonder if it lives back there.
Probably. I've seen a little bit of suspicious behavior.
Property.
Fuck.
Vanilla, banana, nut, fuck.
I want to go outside and go look at it. See if it's still there.
No, they're dangerous. They have fucking rabies, and they'll, like, bite a bitch.
What the vanilla, banana, nut, fuck?
OMG, but I'm gonna call the city and say, we got a raccoon living in this fucking dump piece of shit.
Holy crud. Wow.
There he is right there. He's right underneath in the woodpile area.
See him?
Dude! Yeah,
So close.
you gotta have to take pictures because they're gonna want to see him.
I'm taking millions of pictures.
Oh no, he's going into Jerry's house. You weren't invited.
Maybe he was. Is that why he came?
He's right there in the corner by the grass.
I don't see him. Maybe with my zooming powers. I don't see him.
Because he's hidden.
I can't believe we just caught that.
Awesome. I love that we caught that. Because now,
We can call the city.
yep. The perks of working from home today.
Holy
Card nuggets.
shit.
And I can't
We
believe
wouldn't touch this if we didn't have COVID. Mm-hmm. Are you gonna call the city of Lockport today?
Yeah, I should.
Okay, don't say your city. I'm recording a video and it's gonna. Okay,
Where's
back
my
to
second
the
book.
I don't know where your second book is. Maybe it's right here.
Oh. What's the vanilla?
Okay.
Vanilla, banana, nut, fuck.
Okay. We are back, Mocha. It is time to vote. Again. Okay. Now, how do you feel about this? Olivia Rodrigo? Okay. I'm pretty depressed. Nice. Okay. Let's see if we can get that Gucci belt on you. Okay. Go get it. Let me get the Gucci belt. Mocha. Hi. I need my video paused. What the heck? Okay, my dog is now on Vogue. Yes, get it, girly. She has her matching collar with her shirt, And she got that gookie belt. She got that gookie belt. And, pretty face, small waist, and a big bang.
Oh my gosh, you just put a nose in your ding dong.
Shut up. Okay, I'm gonna try to find her, like, some paper strings that I can put on her head and give her, like, a hat.
Oh, we have a hat.
Let's go here.